Hi all, Mrs. Olson here. I just want to take a moment to go over the directions for the real-time journal. So first things first, you are going to click on the real-time journal PDF. You're going to want to pull that up. And I'm just going to go through real quickly the directions here and we'll talk through it. And if you have any questions when you're done, I know your teacher is going to answer those questions for you. So feel free to ask those during your WebEx session in the afternoon. So why a journal? Well, we're living through a time that's unprecedented or something that's never been done before, a moment in history that's happening right now. So today, tomorrow, and the days that follow will capture in history books. And someday you're going to want to share these stories with other people. So it's important to capture this moment. So where do you begin? Well, you're going to find a journal and you're going to either choose, are you going to do an electronic journal or are you going to do a paper journal? Either one is absolutely okay, and it's up to you what you want to use. If you are going to use a paper journal, which I love, go ahead and decorate it and make it your own. If you're going to possibly keep a journal on Notability, that's fine too. And just make sure that you are keeping that journal in one place, starting a note that you can continue to add to each day. How do you keep a journal? Make it a habit, not a job, and also keep it simple so that it is enjoyable. If you don't have time to write about something, one thing that I recommend is writing down ideas on Post-its throughout the day and then referring back to them when you have an opportunity to write. All right. What if you can't think of something to write? Well, right below here, you can see that there are some ideas that are posted. Plus, your teachers are also going to be posting ideas for you to spark some seeds for you to help you write. Don't worry though, it's completely natural to have writer's block every once in a while. And hopefully by going through these different options here, you can see that might spark some kind of journal entry for the day. You don't have to do something from here. You can totally just write what's going on in your daily life. That's up to you. How often do you need to write? You need to write a minimum of 3 times a week. What you'll do is take a screenshot of your journal and upload it into your personal discussion thread that your teacher has created for you. You will also find this in the real-time journal folder. Again, I'm going to say that if you're doing a paper journal, you're going to take a picture of your picture journal and you're going to upload that into your discussion thread with your name on it. If you are doing a electronic journal and Notability, you are going to take a picture of that and you will upload that into your discussion thread. Is it going to be graded? Yes, this is a form of writing for your personal narrative. So please make sure that you're posting at least 3 times a week. You can see too in the directions, I'm not going to click on this now, but there is a YouTube video here to just give you some ideas of somebody that keeps a journal at home, and she kind of walks through how she does her journal. The last thing that I found interesting is this whole situation is making me think a lot about Anne Frank, who lived during World War II. And she was, discovered after she had passed away, but what historians found was her journal. And her journal was super important to history because it helped historians find out about, first of all, what a child's perspective of what was happening during World War II. But also it gives those specific descriptors of Anne Frank's day that nobody else experienced. This was her own personal experience. And so we get to find out a lot about history through people's journal. And I want you to have that same type of experience during this important time when, like I said, during COVID-19, this is something that has never happened before. So it's important for you to keep this personal journal. If you want to learn more about Anne Frank, you can also click on that YouTube video, and that is there for you as well. Again, everything that we went over, you will also have an opportunity to talk to your teacher in the WebEx this afternoon. So make sure that you're jotting down any questions that you have. And good luck. Have fun with this. Journals are super exciting and fun. I look forward to reading them.